for? A missing toy? Where did it go? Look, let's make a brand new shadow. Wait, where did it go now? Come out, come out! Where do shadows go at night? Well, let's be scientists and find out. To make a shadow, we need two things. First, a bright light, like my hand. Second, something to block the light, like my hand. Wow, the light can't go through your hand, so it leaves a dark spot. Exactly! But watch what happens when I turn off the light. Where did the shadow go? It disappeared! It didn't go anywhere, Sia. A shadow is just a dark spot. Our shadows don't run away. Mystery solved! Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all social media for more fun and learning videos.